Most people know how to multiply. Only a few people know how to check multiplication. Only a very few understand the principles of checking multiplication. First, let me show you how to check this multiplication. Pay attention to each digit of this number. Exclude the digits 2 and 7 that add up to 9. Sum the remaining digits 12. Since it is more than 10, sum the digits of 12, 3. Now for the next number. Exclude the digits 6 and 3 that add up to 9. Sum the remaining digits 6. Multiply 3 and 6, 18. The sum of each digit is 9. Apply this method to the answer as well. If the result is 9, then the answer is correct. First, exclude the digits 5 and 4, 2 and 7 because they add up to 9. Sum the remaining digits 18. Since it is more than 10, sum the digits again 9. This matches the result of 9. The answer is correct. Why does this method work for checking multiplication? Let's understand the principle. Here are two numbers. When divided by 9, the remainders are 3 and 7 respectively. Then the two numbers can be represented as follows. Multiply these two numbers. Simplify this expression. The remainder of the product is the same as the product of the remainders. 21 is 9 times 2 plus 3, so the remainder of this number is 3. This is the principle of checking multiplication. This method checks the remainders when the numbers are divided by 9. If the product of the remainders equals the remainder of the product, the multiplication is correct. If it's incorrect, the remainders will differ. However, strictly speaking, having the same remainder does not always guarantee the correct answer. There can be cases where the remainders are the same, but the answer is incorrect, especially when using small divisors like 2 or 3. But with 9, if the remainders match, the probability of the answer being correct is very high. Therefore, we use the remainder when divided by 9 to check the multiplication. How can you find the remainder when a number is divided by 9? Here is a number. Let's find the remainder of this number. This number can be transformed as follows. Here, 9 times x is a multiple of 9, so the remainder for 9 times x is 0. Therefore, the remainder of this number is equal to this, which is the sum of digits. In this case, numbers like 7 and 2 that add up to 9 can be grouped as multiples of 9. Thus, we can exclude such numbers from the sum in advance. The sum of the remaining digits is 15. The remainder can also be found by summing the digits. The sum of 1 and 5 is 6. This is the remainder. When a number is divided by 9, the remainder is equal to the remainder of the sum of its digits. Among the digits, those that add up to 9 can be excluded from the sum in advance. If the sum is more than 10, add the digits again. The resulting number is the remainder. Lastly, let's solve an example. Now you know not only how to multiply but also how to check multiplication. Use this calculation trick